Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video we'll continue with exercise 7a from chapter Ratio and Proportion. So coming to question number 18, there are two subparts. Part A, if A is to B is equal to 3 is to 4 and B is to C is equal to 6 is to 7, find first part A is to B is to C and second part A is to C. Part B, if A is to B is equal to 2 is to 5 and A is to C is equal to 3 is to 4, find A is to B is to C. These are very easy questions, students. You are given two ratios over here. We'll consider part A first. Okay? So let's see how to solve, then we'll solve with proper steps. Okay? So A is to B and B is to C is given to you. So let us consider the given first. हमेशा given पहले consider करो. A is to B दिया है, so that is A upon B, right? So A upon B is equal to 3 is to 4 means 3 upon 4, right? Similarly, B is to C is B upon C is equal to 6 upon 7. You have to find the ratio of A is to B is to C and then A is to C. ये 3 वाला कैसे find out करेंगे? Students, whenever you are told A upon B है and B upon C है and then you have to find the ratio of all 3, you will consider a common factor. Okay, so introduce a common factor in any one of the ratio. ठीक है, एनी वन यू कंसिडर एंड इंट्रोड्यूस अ कॉमन फैक्टर. ठीक है, सो लेट्स इंट्रोड्यूस अ कॉमन फैक्टर ओवर हियर. ठीक है, वी डोंट नो द कॉमन फैक्टर, सो लेट्स से x इज द कॉमन फैक्टर. ठीक है, सो a इज इक्वल टू 3x एंड b इज इक्वल टू 4x. आई कैन से दैट. ठीक है, सो a ओरिजिनल नंबर क्या हो जाएगा? इट इज़ 3x एंड b इज इक्वल टू 4x. Now what about the common factor here? You cannot say this is 6x upon 7x. No. यहाँ पे common factor जो use हुआ है same यहाँ पे होगा. It is not necessary. Okay, it will be different. So it might be different. Some cases it might be same, but nothing is given over here, so you cannot assume it to be same. ठीक है? So some common factor is there. So what to do over here? Over here also we need x. ठीक है? यहाँ पे भी x लाना है. So we know B is equal to 4x and we are given the ratio of B is to C. So in place of B I can write 4x, right? So B is 4x, so 4x upon C is equal to 6 upon 7. I hope this part is clear. So जो first में से जो भी वैल्यू यहाँ पे यूज़ हो रहा है उसका वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट करो. ठीक है, सो b 4x ले लिया हम लोग ने. नाउ जस्ट शिफ्टिंग द टर्म्स. सो यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करेंगे, सो इट विल बिकम 7 upon 6 एंड c विल गो इन न्यूमरेटर. 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 7s are 14 and x upon 3. So we got c in terms of x. So 14x upon 3. The aim was to have same common factor. ठीक है, same common factor चाहिए था for all the 3 terms. So we got that. All right. Now we can easily find out the ratio. So A is to B is to C. We will not write upon in this case. Keep it as it is. ठीक है, ऐसे ही रखते हैं. A is to B is to C will be 3x is to 4x is to 14x upon 3, right? Now x है, so you can cancel out the x. ठीक है, that is the common factor in all the 3, so you can remove x. So it will be 3 is to 4 is to 14 upon 3. ठीक है, now there is denominator में 3. Let us remove the denominator. Okay, not keep a fraction. ठीक है, don't keep a fraction over here. So you have to remove it. So 3 को denominator से निकालने के लिए I need to multiply this by 3. 3 will get cancelled. But I cannot multiply only this by 3. I need to multiply all 3 by 3. ठीक है, सिर्फ एक को नहीं कर सकते हैं, तीनों को multiply करना पड़ेगा. So 3 into 3, 3 into 4 and 3 into 14 by 3. I hope you understood this part. डिनोमिनेटर में जो भी नंबर होगा वो नंबर से तीनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो. ठीक है, सो 3 into 3 will give me 9. 3 into 4, 12. And 3 will get cancelled, so you are left with 14. So now the denominator is removed. ठीक है, check the numbers. 9 is to 12 is to 14. Is there any common factor over here? No, there is no common factor which I can cancel out. All three में देखो, all three में. Can you cancel out any common factor? No, there is no common factor. 2, 3, 5, 7. No number is there. ठीक है. So this is the final ratio. So A is to B is to C is equal to 9 is to 12 is to 14. I hope you understood this part. Now we'll solve properly. Okay, and second part में you have to find A is to C. That is again very easy. Okay, because we know A, we know C. सिर्फ ratio लेना है. Okay, so let us now solve properly. Always start with the given information first. So we are given that A upon B is equal to 3 upon 4 and B upon C is equal to 6 upon 7. Okay, now you can introduce common factor in any of the two ratios. Okay, it's your choice. I took A upon B and then I introduced common factor. You could have considered this also. इसमें introduce कर सकते हो common factor and then take B का value and substitute it over here. You will still get correct answer. Alright students. So A upon B is equal to 3 upon 4. We are introducing a common factor. So let's say X is the common factor. Okay, you can take any variable of your choice. So X is the common factor. So A upon B is equal to 3X upon 4X. So I can say A is 3X and B is equal to 4X. ठीक है. Now we will introduce B का value in the second ratio. So second ratio is this. Let us substitute the value of B over here. We'll solve further. C का value मिलेगा in terms of X. Okay, now we have A, B and C, all three in terms of X. So A is to B is to C will be equal to 3X is to 4X is to 14X upon 3. Over here I can remove the X. So removing the X, we are left with 3 is to 4 is to 14 upon 3. We have 3 in denominator, we have to remove it. ठीक है. So we'll multiply by 3, all 3 by 3. So 3 into 3 is to 3 into 4 is to 3 into 14 by 3. So 3 यहाँ पे तो cancel हो गया. So 9 is to 12 is to 14. So A is to B is to C is equal to 9 is to 12 is to 14. This is the answer. Okay. Second part. So this was first part. Just write down over here first part. Second part, we need to find A is to C. So A is to C. A क्या है? A is 3x. ठीक है. So 3x is to C is 14x upon 3. Again the same thing. You will multiply by 3. Students, you can solve this normally also. जैसे हम लोग normally solve करते हैं, जब 2 ही रहेगा, 2 का ratio find करना है, you can solve it normally like this, upon लेके. ठीक है. So A upon C will be equal to 3x upon 14x upon 3. Putting the values. Okay. 3 will go in numerator. It is like this, 3x divided by 14x upon 3. So when you make this multiplication, so reciprocal हो जाता है. 3 goes in numerator and this goes in denominator. Okay. So 3 will go in numerator. So 9x upon 14x. X gets cancelled, so you're left with 9 upon 14. So A is to C is equal to 9 is to 14. Write down this final thing. ठीक है. Upon के फॉर्म में मत लिखना, write it is to के फॉर्म में. Okay. So students, from here only you can say easily. A is to C will be 9 is to 14. Okay. From here only you can say. But you need to show the working. Okay. So this is the reason we solved it like this. Alright. Now moving on to part B. We'll use the same method for part B. So I'll solve directly now. A is to B is nothing but A upon B. A upon B is 2 is to 5, that is 2 upon 5. And over here we are given A is to C, that is A upon C is equal to 3 is to 4, that is 3 upon 4. We know these things. So always write down the given first. Okay. Now we need to introduce common factor in one of the ratios. So I'll consider the first one only. You can consider the second one. It's your choice. Okay. So I'll be considering this. सो रीराइट दिस फर्स्ट रेशियो, वापस से लिखो. ओके, लेट द कॉमन फैक्टर बी एक्स. यू कैन टेक एनी अदर वेरिएबल, योर चॉइस. ठीक है, सो यू कैन टेक ए, बी, जेड, वाई, एनीथिंग. ठीक है, सो a upon b will be equal to 2x upon 5x. ठीक है, so I can say a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 5x. So write it down. a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 5x. Okay, now यहाँ पे हम लोग ये वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे. विच वन यू कैन सब्सटीट्यूट? यू हैव a upon c, so we can use a का वैल्यू. we'll substitute a का value over here and bring c in terms of x. ठीक है, so write down the ratio. a is to c is equal to 3 is to 4, so a is 2x upon c is equal to 3 upon 4. shifting this over here, reciprocal हो जाएगा and c will go in numerator. Okay, so here nothing is getting cancelled. we'll get 8x upon 3. ठीक है, so c is 8x upon 3. we got c. so a, b and c, all three we got. now we need to find a is to b is to c. so a is to b is to c will be 2x is to 5x is to 8x upon 3. x I can cancel out. okay, it is the common factor in all three. जो भी common दिखता है ना, you can cancel out students. okay, so ये common है. so 2 is to 5 is to 8 upon 3. again we have a number in denominator. what will you do? multiply by that number. okay, so all three will multiply by that number. so 3 into 2, 3 into 5 and 3 into 8 by 3. so 3 cancel हो गया. ठीक है, now 3 into 2 6, 3 5s are 15 and here you are left with 8. ठीक है, so if you check all three you cannot reduce it further. ठीक है, यहाँ पे कॉमन फैक्टर है, यहाँ पे कॉमन फैक्टर है, लेकिन all three में कुछ कॉमन दिख रहा है क्या? नहीं. ओके, so this is the reduced ratio. a is to b is to c is equal to 6 is to 15 is to 8. box this. okay, moving on to next question, question number 19. there are two parts again. first sub part, if 3a is equal to 4b is equal to 6c, find a is to b is to c. second part, if 2a is equal to 3b and 4b is equal to 5c, find a is to c. again very easy question students, but first part is little different. over here you are told 3a is equal to 4b is equal to 6c. so let's write down the given first. now there is no ratio given over here, so what will you do? over here you are told 3a is equal to 4b is equal to 6c. what is its value? we don't know. so let's say this equal to this equal to this. let's say all three have some value k. okay, instead of k you can take any other variable, not a, b and c but any other variable. okay, यहाँ पे a, b, c use हुआ है, so you can take p, m, q, anything else. so over here I can say 3a is equal to k, 4b is equal to k, 6c is equal to k, because all four are equal, है ना. so 3a is equal to k, so a is equal to k upon 3. similarly 4b is equal to k, so b is equal to k upon 4. and 6c is equal to k, so c is equal to k upon 6. right, what we did was, we know all three are equal, so let's say all three have some value k. that is what we did, and एक एक को substitute करके value find out करते हैं. okay, so now we got a equal to k upon 3, b equal to k upon 4 and c equal to k upon 6. so now we need to find a is to b is to c. so a is to b is to c will be equal to k upon 3 is to k upon 4 is to k upon 6. k, it is like common factor, I can cancel it out. So 1 upon 3 is to 1 upon 4 is to 1 upon 6. I have numbers in denominator, so what do I need to do? I need to multiply, ठीक है, but denominator सब denominators में number है, so I need to take LCM first. Okay, so 3, 4 and 6 का LCM क्या हो जाएगा? 12 हो जाएगा. Okay, I'll still show you LCM part in case you have forgotten, so those who know can skip this part. Over here 3 से I can divide, so 3 1s are, this is not divisible, so as it is रहेगा. 3 2s are. Now यहाँ पे तो 1 मिल गया, यहाँ पे भी 1 1 चाहिए, so I can divide by 2. 2 2s are and 2 1s are. यहाँ पे भी 1 मिल गया, I need 1 over here, so I need to divide by 2 again. 2 1s are, so 3 into 2 into 2, that gives 12. So I need to make all the denominators 12. So 3 into what will give me 12? 3 into 4. So multiply by 4 in both numerator and denominator. ठीक है, सो सिर्फ यहाँ पे नहीं मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते, दोनों न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर में करना है. ओके, सो 1 into 4 upon 3 into 4. Similarly 4 into how much will give me 12? 4 3s are, so 1 into 3 upon 4 into 3. 6 into how much will give me 12? 2s are, so 1 into 2 and 6 into 2. So 4 upon 12 is to 3 upon 12 is to 2 upon 12. Now 12 12 12, all three are in denominator, so I can cancel it out and I'll be left with 4 is to 3 is to 2. So A is to B is to C will be 4 is to 3 is to 2. Okay, so now we'll solve with proper steps. We'll write down the given first. So given is 3A is equal to 4B is equal to 6C. Now let's say that all three have some value k. ठीक है, so let 3A equal to 4B equal to 6C be equal to k. So I can say 3A is equal to k, 4B is equal to k and 6C is equal to k. So that is what we'll write and then solve and find the value of A, B and C. ठीक है, अब A, B and C का वैल्यू मिल गया, we need to find the ratio A is to B is to C. So it will be k upon 3 is to k upon 4 is to k upon 6. Okay, now k will get cancelled, so we are left with 1 upon 3 is to 1 upon 4 is to 1 upon 6. We have numbers in denominator, so we will take LCM first. सब डिनोमिनेटर को सेम करना है, ठीक है, सबका वैल्यू सेम करना है. So taking LCM, we know LCM will be 12, so 3 4s are, so we'll multiply numerator and denominator both by 4. Same thing 4 into 3, so we'll multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. Similarly यहाँ पे 6 2s are 12, so 1 into 2 and 6 into 2. So we'll get 4 upon 12 is to 3 upon 12 is to 2 upon 12. So A is to B is to C, cancelling out 12. जैसे हम लोग k कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, ये भी कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. 12 इज देयर इन डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ ईच टर्म. ओके, सब डिनोमिनेटर में है, सो आई कैन कैंसिल आउट 12. सो आई विल बी लेफ्ट विथ 4 is to 3 is to 2. So box this. Okay, now coming to the second part of the question. Second part of the question is similar to question number 18. How over here you will easily get the ratio. Okay, so you are given that 2A is equal to 3B and 4B is equal to 5C. So from this you can obtain two ratios, A and B. What we will do is B and A को एक जगह पे शिफ्ट करते हैं, नंबर्स को दूसरे साइड पे शिफ्ट करते हैं. ओके, सो A will keep as it is, shifting B it will go in denominator and numbers on the other side, so 3 will remain as it is and 2 when you shift it will go in denominator. So now you see you are given a ratio. Okay, similarly for the second one, so 4B is equal to 5C, so same thing, b as it is रखते हैं, shifting c on the other side it will go in denominator. 5 as it is, shifting 4 on the other side. So we got two ratios. Now what you will do, you are supposed to find a is to c. So let's introduce a common factor. Okay, let's introduce some common factor. So either in this or in this, with any one. ठीक है, so I'll introduce a common factor for the first ratio. So let x be the common factor. So students, I'm directly starting with the solution only. Okay, I'm not going to solve first and then show the proper steps. This is with proper steps itself. So let the common factor for, this is first ratio, this is second ratio, so let's number it. For ratio 1bx, so a upon b will be 3x upon 2x. Okay, so a is equal to 3x and b is equal to 2x. All right, we got this. Now we need c also in terms of x. So b is used in second equation, second ratio. ठीक है, so second ratio में b की जगह पे हम लोग 2x सब्सटीट्यूट कर सकते हैं. So b upon c is equal to 5 upon 4. So 2x upon c is equal to 5 upon 4. So you can see it's very much similar to question number 18. Okay, so 2x upon c is equal to 5 upon 4. We are using the same steps. Now c, shifting it on the other side and this on the other side, reciprocal हो जाएगा and c over here. So again nothing is getting cancelled. So 2 4s are 8 into x upon 5 is equal to c. So we got c in terms of x. We need to find a is to c. So a upon c, directly I can write it like this. ठीक है, so a is 3x upon 8x upon 5, or you can write it like this. A is 3x, to avoid any confusion, divided by c is 8x upon 5. So 3x, division को multiplication करेंगे, so it will become 5 upon 8x, reciprocal हो जाएगा. Okay, x gets cancelled, 3 5s are 15 upon 8. Okay, so therefore a is to c is equal to 15 is to 8. Final में ऐसे लिखना है. Okay, don't keep it like this, write it like this and box this. There is one more method for the second part of the question, students. So I'll show you that method. Over here you don't need to introduce any common factor. So what you will do is, you need to find a is to c. Now you are given a upon b का ratio. What other ratio are given? b upon c का ratio. So यहाँ पे भी b है, यहाँ पे भी b है. What you will do? a you will express in terms of b and c also you will express in terms of b. Okay, so what you will do, a as it is रखते हैं. Okay, so a as it is, I can write it as 3 upon 2 into b, right? So a I expressed in terms of b because यहाँ पे b के साथ रेशियो है. सेम थिंग c का भी रेशियो b के साथ दिया हुआ है. सो सेम थिंग I'll do, I'll shift c on one side and everything else on the other side, जैसे यहाँ पे किया. Okay, a on one side and everything else on the other side. So I can say b into 4 upon 5 is equal to c. When you shift this on the other side, reciprocal हो जाएगा and c will go in numerator. So c is equal to 4b upon 5. Okay, now I got a, I got c. I can just find out the ratio. So a upon c will be equal to 3b upon 2 divided by 4b upon 5. है ना, a का वैल्यू इज दिस, c का वैल्यू इज दिस. सो अपॉन है, सो डिविजन है ना. नाउ डिविजन को मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं, सो रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. B gets cancelled, you're left with 15/8. Again same answer. So you can use this method, students. Okay, A/C is equal to 15/8. Don't forget to write it in this manner. Box this. Okay, moving on to next question, question number 20. Find the compound ratio of first part 2:3, 9:14 and 14:27. Second part 2a:3b, mn:x square and x:n. Third part √2:1, 3:5 and √20:9. Compound ratio means what, students? Let's say you have two ratios, okay, x upon y or x:y and A:b or A upon b. When you have to find compound ratio of these two ratios, what you are going to do? न्यूमरेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करो एंड डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करो. सो इट विल बी न्यूमरेटर इंटू न्यूमरेटर अपॉन डिनोमिनेटर इंटू डिनोमिनेटर. If any terms are getting cancelled out, you will just cancel it out and find out the final value. So यहाँ पे final value will be ax upon by. Okay, writing it in alphabetical order. Similarly, you can find compound ratio of 3 different ratios, of 4 different ratios, 5 different ratios. कितने भी ratios हो, you can find out compound ratio of that. All you have to do is multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. Whatever is getting cancelled out, just cancel it and find out the final ratio. Okay, so if you are given x upon y, a upon b and p upon q, then compound ratio of all three will be what? It will be x into a into p upon y into b into q. Okay, so final ratio will be a p x and b q y. Okay, so same thing you have to do for all three. Okay, so it's very easy. I'll directly start with the solutions. So starting with the first part of the question, you're given 3 different ratios. Okay, so 2:3, 9:14 and 14:27. So first one of each will be numerator and second one will be denominator, right? So write down the compound ratio of 2:3, 9:14 and 14:27 is equal to, I'm writing it on the other line since I don't have space over here. It will be 2, all the numerators first, so all the first one, okay, 2, यहाँ पे 9 is the first and यहाँ पे 14, and then all the denominators, so second one of each one. ठीक है, so 3 into 14 into 27. Alright, so basically all numerators and then all the denominators you will multiply. Now see if anything is getting cancelled out. This gets cancelled out. 3 3s are, 3 9s are, so 2 upon 9, so that is nothing but 2:9. Box this. Okay, coming to the next question. For second part we'll solve in a similar way. Okay, so these are the 3 ratios given to you. Now write down the compound ratio of 2a:3b, mn:x square and x:n is equal to, multiply all the numerators, so numerator, so 2a into mn into x, and then the denominators 3b x square and n, so 3b x square n, n I can cancel out, x I can cancel out. Okay, and nothing else is getting cancelled, so 2a into m, so 2am, and 3b into x, so 3bx. ठीक है, so this is the final answer. Write it in is to form. So 2am is to 3bx. So box this. Okay. Coming to third part of the question, same thing. Okay, you have to find the compound ratio. So write down the question first. The compound ratio of root 2 is to 1, 3 is to root 5 and root 20 is to 9 is equal to, multiply all the numerators, so all the first ones, root 2, 3 and root 20. So root 2 into 3 into root 20, and then the denominators, so the second ones, so 1 into root 5 into 9. Okay, now 3's are, and there are roots over here. So students, for this what I will suggest is, all are square root, सब square root है, so you can take common square root for all. Okay, and then do the cancellations. So what you are left with, first वो लिखते हैं, root 2 into root 20 upon 1 into root 5 will be root 5 and यहाँ पे 3. Okay, so over here let's shift 3 on one side and root वाला जितना भी है common root ले लेते हैं. Okay, you can take common root provided there is multiplication and division sign in between, no plus or minus sign. Okay, so यहाँ पे plus or minus sign यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी नहीं है. Okay, so had there been plus sign over here you could not take. ठीक है, so और minus sign, so into या division sign होना चाहिए. So there is into and division sign, 2 into 20 and denominator में 5 है. Alright, so numerator वाला numerator में लिखो, denominator वाला denominator में लिखो, and I can write this as 1 upon 3. 3 is in denominator. Okay, so into 1 upon 3, 5 4s are. So over here 2 into 4 का स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड आउट करना है. 4 का स्क्वायर रूट क्या हो जाएगा, 2 हो जाएगा. ओके, एंड 2 का स्क्वायर रूट नथिंग, इट इज़ इरेशनल. सो 2 root 2 into 1 upon 3, that is 2 root 2 upon 3. Okay, so you are getting the answer as 2 root 2 is to 3, है ना. फाइनल ऐसे लिखना है. So not upon form में, is to form में. So 2 root 2 is to 3 is the compound ratio. Alright, so students be very careful over here. Okay, you can directly cancel out, you could have cancelled out. Root 5 यहाँ पे you could have solved over here only. If you find out root 20 का value, it is 4 5s are 20. ठीक है, so 4 का square root I can easily find out, it will be 2. So over here, instead of solving it like this, you could have solved it like this also. So I'll show you the other way also. You could have solved it like this, root 2 into root 20 क्या हो जाता, it would be root of 4 into 5 upon root 5 into 3. Okay, so this would be root 2, 4 का square root 2 हो जाएगा and 5 will remain as it is upon root 5 into 3. So root cancel हो जाएगा and you are left with 2 root 2 upon 3. So 2 root 2 is to 3. Okay, so whichever method you find easy, you can solve it that way.